Hi, kindergarten friends. Welcome back for more math. I'm Mrs. Roos, and we are going to continue our discussion on subtraction today. Last week, you met a friend named Gus the Plus, and Gus the Plus really liked to put things together to make more or a bigger number. Well, today, I'm going to introduce you to Linus the Minus. And Linus the Minus likes to take things away. He likes to make the amount smaller. So here's what we need when we are going to subtract. So there's some words that go with Linus the Minus that help us to figure out that subtracting is the operation we're going to be doing. So we have the word subtract, we have the word minus. If you hear those two words, you definitely know we're going to be using our minus sign and our answer is going to get smaller. You may also hear the words take away, which means it's also going to get smaller. And sometimes you might even hear the word fewer. These words down here, these four words, how many are left, you're going to hear a lot. And if you hear those four words, you definitely know that you're going to have to subtract. And your problem is going to include a Linus the Minus sign. So let's see what it looks like. Down here I have a problem. 4 minus 2 equals 2. That is a subtraction sentence. And just like yesterday when we learned our strategies, I showed you how to solve this problem by using a drawing strategy. So I had 4 blue counters because 4 is the bigger number in front of our subtraction sign. We're subtracting 2, so I crossed 2 out. And that shows us that the answer is 2 because I have 2 left. Okay? Now, let's look at one of the problems we looked at yesterday. Christina made 3 cakes. She ate 1. How many cakes are left? So yesterday we used our fingers to solve this problem, right? We started with our bigger number at the top. And it's saying how many cakes are left. There's those words, how many are left. So we know we're going to be subtracting, right? Awesome. So she had 3 cakes. 3 is the first number I'm going to write in my number sentence. Then I know my minus sign is going to come next because they want to know how many are left. So my minus sign is going to go next. She had 3 and she ate 1. So the number 1 is going to come after my minus sign. Now, after I have those two numbers on, then comes my equal sign. So I had 3, she ate 1, and that equals 2. Great job. So here is my number sentence using my Linus the Minus. 3 minus 1 equals 2. You could also read this as 3 take away 1 equals 2. So now we used these words also. They both mean subtract, and they both mean that our answer is going to be smaller than what we started with. Let's take a look at another one. Okay, ready? Tanner has 4 rocks. He loses 2 rocks. How many rocks are left? Okay, there's those key words. How many are left? So we know we're going to subtract. All right, we're going to start with our bigger number, which is 4. He had 4 to start with. So let's put that down here. We know we're subtracting, right? Because we want to know how many are left. So we're going to start and use the strategy of having manipulatives in my hand. So I've got 4 M&Ms. Can you see them? Great job. Now, he had 4, taking away, he lost 2. So I'm going to take 2 out of my hand, right? After the 2 is going to come our equal sign, and they want to know how many are left after he lost his 2 rocks. How many are left in my hand? There are 2 left. Great job. So now let's read our number sentence again. 4 minus 2 equals 2. And again, we could also say that as 4 take away 2 equals 2. Awesome job. All right, let's look at another one. All right. Kylie has 3 markers. She gives 0 away. How many does she have left? Okay, so again, we have our words. How many are left? We know we're going to be subtracting. All right, I'm going to grab my M&Ms again, and I'm going to put 3 in my hand because that is our big number. That's the one that's going to go in the front. We know we're subtracting because it asked us how many she had left. So I'm going to put my subtracting sign. It says she gives 0 away. So if she is giving 0 away, am I going to take any out of my hand? No, I'm not. So I'm going to put my 0 there. That's my second number. Next comes our equal sign. And now we have to figure out how many markers Kylie has left if she doesn't give any away. So if she starts with 3 and she gives 0 away, how many markers are left? If you said 3, kiss your brain. Great job. So anytime you subtract 0, the number is going to stay the same because you're not taking anything away. So 3 take away 0 equals 3. 3 minus 0 equals 3. Great job. All right, let's try it again. Anthony has 2 wiggly teeth. 1 falls out. How many wiggly teeth are left? Okay, so I want you to grab a piece of paper and a pencil and try this one with me. We're going to use our strategy of drawing and crossing out. Okay, so grab your materials and join me back here. Do you have your materials? Great. So it says Anthony has 2 wiggly teeth. That's our bigger number. So that's the number that's going to go in the front. And we're going to draw 2 circles for Anthony's 2 wiggly teeth. Do you have your 2 circles? Great job. Now it says how many are left. So we know we're going to need our minus sign. So I'm going to put my minus sign next. How many of Anthony's teeth fell out? 1. Great job. So I'm going to put a 1, and that means that I'm going to cross one of my circles out, right? There we go. So he had 2 wiggly teeth, 1 fell out. How many wiggly teeth are left? How many circles are not crossed out?
1.
1. Thanks, kids. Good job. 1 are left. Great job. So let's read our number sentence. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 2 take away 1 equals 1. All right. We're going to do one more using our number line strategy. You guys are doing a great job. Okay. Alex made 5 cookies. She handed out 3 of them to her friends. How many cookies does she have left? All right. It said, how many cookies does she have left? So we know we are going to subtract. So what number is our biggest number? Alex made 5 cookies. So I'm going to put my mouse right here on the number 5 because that's where we're going to start. There's my 5. And we know we're subtracting, so Linus the Minus is going to come next. Now, how many cookies did she hand out to her friends? She handed out 3. Very good. So we're starting at the 5, and she handed out 3, so we're going to jump back 3 spaces. Can you jump back 3 spaces with me? Ready? 1, 2, 3. And we land on the number 2. Great job. So 5 minus 3 equals 2. Or 5 take away 3 equals 2. Kiss your brains, friends. You just worked so hard on those subtraction problems. Now, I have 4 problems posted here that I would like you to try on your own using any of the strategies that we've learned to post to your portfolio. Remember, when we subtract or take away, our final answer is going to be smaller, okay? So keep working hard on your subtraction, and I will see you later. Great job.